Papago Vans has just completed another build. This is a Zion tier build on a Sprinter 170. Starting up here, the Scopema swivels are on the driver and passenger seat with the lagoon table perfectly in the center, creating a small dining area in the van. As always, we have done a custom lagoon table top in here so that can fold away when it's not in use. Up above the dining area is a headliner shelf. This is from Van Wife, adding a little bit of extra storage in here. This customer is going to be traveling a lot with their dog, so this bench doubles as a dedicated area for the dog. Down below is an area for dog dishes, the water bowls, food, and then the drawer here will double as extra storage, but primarily with these heavy duty slides is going to double as go from bench to dog bed, giving a dedicated sleeping area for the pooch. Up above in this overhead cabinet, we've got a control panel. So you've got the water pump, shower drain, water heater. And when this is on, that light will turn on. We've got the inverter and the battery monitor up here. Also in here is the Wii Boost. The Wii Boost is going to boost the cellular signal of your phone. And it doesn't matter if you've got 3G, 4G, 5G. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone, a Nokia, a Samsung, whatever phone you have. This will boost that signal as long as you're within about 2,000 feet of this right here. There is a stainless steel fridge freezer combo in here. Moving on, we've got the shower. So that will just clip closed, and then if you're on the outside, you push, inside you pull, but that will just unlatch and open right back up. The shower heads that we include in our builds do have an on-off button on there. That's going to help you save water while you're showering. Rinse up, suds up, rinse off, and you can turn it off when you're not using it. Down below, we have the Lavio Dry Flush. Highly, highly, highly recommend this for your camper van. No spills, no smells. The cartridges are extremely easy to replace. It's a really, really great addition to a camper van. There's floor to ceiling storage with shelves up top and garment racks down below. Moving on to the bed area, there's a couple of different things I want to point out over here. First, the customer has opted to include this fan for those hot summer nights. Second, the memory foam mattress that we use in here, super comfortable, super dope. I love these. You're going to sleep like a baby in here. Above the bed is the Nomadic X2 AC unit. These are an off-grid AC unit. They're extremely powerful, extremely efficient, and they are meant to be used off-grid, so you do not have to be connected to shore power. It is going to draw minimally from the batteries to be able to power itself. This van does have the awning style bunk windows in here, so those will tip out rather than slide open. Reading lights on both sides of the van. We've got an outlet over here, and in the cubbies on the passenger side is a light that will control the LED lights down below. As I mentioned, this customer does have a dog, so they're going to want to know what they're stepping in at night. Overhead cabinets over here, your popcorn maker. Potable water is coming out of here. The extended countertop for all of your chicken cutlet cutting needs. And stepping out of the van, I'd like to point out how convenient this side step is. These vans are very tall, and that side step makes it so much easier to get in and out of the van. There is one on the driver's side as well, helping you to get out of the van over there. We've got the awning. This is from Nomadic Cooling. That material does not mold, does not mildew. It is UV resistant, so you can be out here, rain, sun, any of that, and enjoying it, especially with the LED lights at the bottom and at the top. So at night, this is going to all be illuminated, shedding a little more light on your fun. In the back of the van, in the back, we've got 400 amp hours of battery, 20 gallons of potable water and a 4-gallon hot water tank, the outdoor shower port, and one of my favorite things that this customer has opted for is the rear door storage. These are from Van Essential. There's going to be so many different pockets in here, giving you so much more storage in the van. This van does not have the rear door windows, so this was the option that they wanted to go with instead. There's zippers on this side. Comment below and tell us what you would keep in these. Like this video if you like these. Like this video if you don't like these. And of course, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for joining us. We will see you next week for another Van Tour Tuesday.